It's either bayakulala noma uyabalala. Imali yakho ayifani ongena kwayo. Bayakulala noma uyabalala. These days, those are the spirits. Kunomama abaningi abanamadoda abashade nawo abangazi ukuthi indoda iyindoda la ekhaya ngaphandle umfazi bayayilala. Ziningi indlela zokubona indoda elalwayo noma elala amanye amadoda. Le ndoda esikhuluma ngayo indoda engazalwanga with those feelings. But iphoqe indlala ekhaya isimo ekhaya. Noma ungafihla kanjani sibu. But language yokukhuluma kwakho khona la ubuyiphahluluke khona. Ungapretenda ukhulume kabi ngama gays noma ini. But the language kunala ne step sokuhamba. Kuyasho ukuthi khona into engenayo emva kuwena.
You guys, of course, that was an old interview with Dr. Kehlelezi on this Boo Hustle Corner YouTube channel, you guys, whereby he basically speaks about sacrificing or ukutwala, whereby straight men find themselves sleeping with other men in order to attain a certain wealth. He says that these men are not gay. They are straight. In most cases, you'd find that these men are very much married. Their husbands, their fathers, but they do sleep with men, as it is an instruction, ya ukutwala kwabu. By doing so, they'll be able to attain a certain wealth. He says that by looking at them, you're not going to be able to tell if these men are MSM, men who sleeps with men. He says even the way that they talk, you're not going to be able to do that. He also said that when they talk, whether they pretend to be like homophobe, you could pick up one or two signs that they're trying to cover up something. He says, of course, the wife would not even know that the husband they're sleeping with is actually somebody else's girlfriend or somebody else's wife. You guys, what do you think about this? And then there's also this video which I saw on TikTok where this lady says that majority of the young boys in the industry are definitely going to turn gay. She says that majority of boys in the entertainment industry would basically do anything to secure their seat in the industry, no matter who they sleep with, whether that being a man or a boy. He says that a man or a woman, he says that most of them are going to find themselves in situations whereby they have to bend over to a man. He says that you're not going to be able to tell because these are very straight looking guys, not those weave wearing gays that we see on TikTok. He says that there's currently an issue in America whereby trans women are fighting to use the same bathrooms as ladies. He says that he sees that trend coming here. He says that almost 90% of boys in the industry are going to do Nusa for the big execs in the entertainment industry. Let me insert that video. Before I do that, guys, please do make sure that you do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Like this video and to make sure that you do share it so that you do not have to miss out whenever I try to upload a new video.
Lezi ngane ezikwi-industry njengamanje zabafana ezingenayo, i-majority yabo bazoba yitabane. I-majority yalezi ngane zoba yitabane ngenxa yokuthi zifuna too much fame. And njengoba befuna ukungena kwi-industry baba ama-celebrity, abanandaba ukuthi how they do it. Abanandaba. Mangabe ukuthi kumele badunuse bazodunuse ukuze babe in the places la khona ama-celebrity ahamba khona. They are ready to give it up. They are ready to sign in blood. And uyazi uzozibuka lezi ngane uzitshela ukuthi ngeke ukuthi ubani bani uyisitabane uzoba isona isitabane. Uzobona futhi uba umfana nje normal. ukuthi uma umbheka nje akhona nix maybe e-indicate yabo, akafaki mawigi, akafaki impahla ezamantombazane, uyisitabane nje kodwa. Lezi ngane sezi-ready to give up anything in order for them to be famous. And kuzoba yi-pandemic ezosixaka njengoba nje ixaka abantu baphesheya lapha e-America. E-America bebebelwa bodwa laphayana ngenxa yokuthi ama-toilet labantu abashintsha bama-transgenders, labantu laba befuna ukushona ama-toilet abantu besifazane. And bese kuyinkinga ngenxa yokuthi bekade kungena amadoda amaphi bengena ema-toilet bezopopola iy'ngane ema-toilet. So kwaba yinto nje manje isi-too much lapha e-America because bavumela lento lena yokuthi lokhu iqhubeka that egcina isi-out of hand. Nakhona se-South Africa ngiyangitshela kuzokwenzeka. Lezi ngane zabafana lezi ezingena manje ku-industry bathini